This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Hard to find home like this under $600K. Stunning home with river and mountain views. Versatile floor plan, high ceilings, open floor plan. Gorgeous floors, great room west/high ceilings and ceiling fan. Beautiful kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances. 3 bedrooms, main level has 1 bedroom and 1 full bath. Upstairs has 2 more bedrooms, loft area and full bathroom. Abundance of windows allow for great views of Mount Hood. Great opportunity to own a home like this in this price range. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray at 503-680.